Do you know where the milk in this carton was emerging from? It's Thai Denmark milk, produced from Dairy Farming Promotion Organization of Thailand, or DPO. Wow, this milk has a long way of history. It was initiated during the late King Rama IX, and the Queen of Thailand's state visited to Denmark. The king was very much interested in dairy farming business, foreseeing the Thai people would have health benefits to nutritious milk drinking and to ensure economic stability of dairy farmers. There was an official inaugurated for cooperation between the two countries and many more to come. I would like to see this historical place with my own eyes. Then I asked my dad, my mom, and my fellows to pack up for the night and go over the Dairy Land when we could lay down and die looking for the stars. Here they are! Let's count her cows. We arrived and made the first check-in at the majestic monument of the two kings. The newer historical milestones that I haven't yet experienced. With full support of the Danish government, the Danish experts came to explore this area and found that the fig forest in the Muak Lake district was suitable for the dairy farming. Thereafter, the executive broad side of Mittapap Highway was reconstructed for the very first dairy farm in Thailand. The Thai-Danish Dairy Farm and the Training Center was officially opened by the King Bhumibol and the King Frederick IX of Denmark on January the 16th, 1962 at the 1962 farm building. This became a very historically important day for the dairy business in Thailand. This farm and its training center were managed by Mr. Neil Gunnar Søndergaard as the first Danish director. He built up the dairy farming standard system. Nine years later, on October the 19th, 1921, the Thai-Danish dairy farm was transferred to the Royal Thai government. Dr. Yod Wattanasin became the first Thai director. With His Majesty the King Bhumibol's royal grace, the Thai-Danish dairy farm was granted the status under the royal decree as the Dairy Farming Promotion Organization of Thailand, or DPO. Wow! Here it is! The historical 1962 farm building! Where the cows are raised naturally. As we can lay eyes on, try to milk a cow in cow feeding. Raw milk is sealed from the farm and collected from the other farm's household. Will be sent to the 5 DPO processing plants. This raw milk will be processed into various products such as drinking milk containing into carton and sachets, yogurt, ice cream, and many more for all of us. Do you know the first carton of milk was produced here? Recently, DPO has newly introduced organic milk produced from organic dairy farms. It provides a lot of benefits for health and nourishing brains. Ooh, the ambient of natural farms is splendid. The cattle here is heavily grazing in a wild grass field. Some areas are open as an agricultural tourist attraction for those who are interested in dairy farming. Many activities are offered for the visitors to enjoy, such as fish feeding, adventurously seeking for watershed, water pumping of sports, which are the main stream of water used in the farm. including many activities offered by the National Farming Center, where one can learn new how on biofertilizer made from raw milk and wood vinegar, hyaluronic acid. You will be excited by the cowboys horse riding, rope and rope, cattle restaurant shows. Enjoy staying overnight in a tent, gazing at glittering stars. Waking up in the morning, enjoying fresh air, looking at dewdrops on grass tops. All are nearly experience of happiness. They are endless lessons to be learned from nature. I am confident and proud to tell everyone I enjoy drinking Thailand milk. That is genuine, 100% pure milk, no milk powder added. The milk provided by the gracious heart of His Majesty the King, Bhumibol Rama the Ninth. Milk in the heart of all Thais of all time. Thai Denmark, our national milk.